Airport or near Clinton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Location. Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for western Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County and east central Iowa, Clinton County and east central Iowa, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Welton, or 12 miles south of Maquoketa, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near DeWitt, Delmer, Charlotte, Goose Lake, and Clinton County Fairgrounds around 5:35 p.m. Preston, Bryant, and Elvira around 5:40 p.m. Clinton, Miles, Andover, Teeds Grove, and Camp Miss Elkton around 5:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Sabula, Thompson, Boulders Hollow, South Sabula Lake Park, Savannah and Thompson Causeway. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm